Hello, my name's Catherine. I love movement and learning about different ways to move. Today we're going to look for movements made by birds, animals and insects. Oh, there's the cat. She's out for a walk too. Watch how she moves. Dance steps inspired by her movements could be step forward, lift one foot off the ground, turn your head to the right and freeze. And here's a red-tailed bumblebee. Steps inspired by this red-tailed bumblebee could be walk in a circle to your left, walk in a circle to your right, maybe hands under your chin pointing forward, stretch your arms out like the bee's tongue and dip your hands into the flower to collect pollen. Wipe your hands down along the tongue. Step forward or crawl forward. Wipe your head with one arm, then with the other. Oh look, there's two dancers facing forward. Head down, chin on your chest, shake your head. Head down towards your toes, shake your head. Lift one leg over your head. Lift one leg over your arm to scratch your head. Oh, that's kind of tricky. That's a difficult one. Maybe try it sitting down or change it a little bit to suit yourself. And fly away. Fly in one direction. Fly across in another direction. Really fast. And again. And again. You could try that with other people in your family, running across an open space really fast, one at a time. Oh, and there's a blue-eyed crow. Watch his movements. They're very fast and jerky. But he's up to something. He's stealing food. Can you do movements like him? These flies are moving really fast around each other. Could you try this with other people in your family? Running really fast around each other and very close together without touching or bumping into each other. Light as a feather. And now it's over to you. It's your turn. What movements do you see made by birds, animals or insects, out in nature or in your garden? Create moves inspired by what you see. Use your imagination. Make up maybe one or two different movements. Do them one after the other, and you have the start of a dance. Have fun, and I'll catch you next time.